Hello, friends. It's me again. Sister Jaylin 2013. You know, I really like these rosaries. But I show that I pray the rosary every night indeed. So I hope you'll enjoy. You'll see some things, hear some sounds. You'll even have a moment of silence to think about what I just put up on the screen. So, first of all, I have you to picture this. Close your eyes and think. Yes. Did you picture a fine rosary in your hand? Do you have a fine rosary in your hand? Do you have a Virgin Mary statue? A prayer book? In the case to which the rosary came, in the bag that the rosary set came in? Well, you're all set then for the first Catholic session of how to put away a rosary set and decorate your room like a monastery. So here goes. First, to put away the rosary, you turn it upside down like that. You add the rosary like that, and you put the lid on top. And then flip it over. Okay, that was only the first part you based off. The next part's how to put away the whole set. So you take this back. You drop the Virgin Mary into the bag. Like that, everybody. And then you put the prayer book in next. So that way you can have something to remind you of what to say. And now, to put in the rosary beads like that. So this is how the set looks. And then you pull it tight. Now, you don't want to take it out to decorate your room like a monastery, which I'm going to show you in the next video. This is a simple way to decorate your room. Take the prayer set, turn it like that, and set it up against the TV like that. I am Sister Jaylin 2013, signing off.